I ordered 2 new computer chips. One for Peewee II, and the other one is going to be for Peewee III, which I didn't put together. I have 2 Peewees right now. That's Peewee II, and this is Peewee I. So I put the old chip that was in Peewee II in Peewee I, but there seems to be a problem with the connection. Watch, it's on right now, but when I move it around a little, it shuts off. Well, it did it before, but anyway, I don't know. I don't know if it's there. See, it just shut off. Then when I jiggle it around, it goes back on. So obviously there's a bad connection in the wires again over here. They have to be soldered in. But anyway, I'm going to test Peewee I with the newer chip that came out of Peewee II, because Peewee II has another new one. Okay, ready? Let me turn it on. Okay, ready? Uh-oh. Not working. Peewee. Let's try it again. Maybe the battery, oh, there it goes. See? Now it's working. Ready? Wow, he sounds good. All right, so I'm going to test Peewee I again. I'm going to take him for a flight whenever we have no wind. All right, this is Peewee II. We just tested Peewee I. He sounds okay, but I think there's a wire connection with the computer chip that's in him that used to be in Peewee II. This is Peewee II. All right, so we're going to test Peewee II now with the new computer chip. Okay? I'm going to turn it on right now. Ready? Okay, I took the chip, the computer chip out of Peewee II, and I put it into Peewee I, because I ordered a new chip that's coming for Peewee III, which I didn't put together yet. But I had a new chip that I never used yet, and I put it into Peewee II. So Peewee II sounds good. Peewee I sounds good. We're going to test flight them whenever we have no wind, whenever that's going to be. All right.